Hello, traders, and welcome to a Friday edition tradingwithbill.com. I know what you're saying. What happened to the charts? Yes, my friends, you all know I am a very, very big Ninja Trader fan. I've been with them, I think, 4 years now. I actually fired up yesterday Ninja Trader 8. I liked my other charts with the harmonics on it. I paid a good fee for that harmonics setup. I gotta tell you, the charts just didn't look good, especially when I'm doing videos, right? They just looked hard to read. They just weren't smooth. So I fired up Ninja Trader 8, and my friends, we have some beautiful charts today. We have the same exponential moving averages on, a lot less on the charts. I think it's going to be better for us. We'll see how it goes. Comment on it. We'll really want your feedback. Let's see what happens. Hey, we're in Pattaya, Thailand, coming to you. Absolutely gorgeous. It's currently 8:39 in the morning, 21:39 on Wall Street, and a beautiful day. Bright blue sunny skies, not a cloud in the sky. I'm going to tell you, I was up at 5:30 this morning and it was pouring rain. Now it's beautiful 3.5 hours later. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, so it's a Friday, and good stuff in the markets yesterday. I got to tell you, I was in New York doing my options, and I'm a big seller, right? So I buy puts, or I sell calls, or whatever it takes for me to get in a sell. And I got into 3 positions yesterday, and woke up this morning and took a look at my investing.com site, and the markets are all in the red. Love it, great. It's about time to get some down days in the market. It's been probably over a year and a half. It's just been a bullish market. I think it's time we're going to start seeing some pullbacks here, and maybe we can make some profits in our options trading. All right, let's take a look at what's going on for data today. We do have some data today. I must have misinterpreted what I saw yesterday. I thought there was more data than there is. There is data today, but there's nothing like overwhelming. There's some key ones, but there's a lot of little ones. Hopefully it'll keep the markets flowing today. It is a Friday, and I love trading on Fridays, by the way. I think Thursday, Friday are just great days to be trading. Just really good days to be trading, and I just like Thursdays and Fridays. So let's take a look what happened in our S&P futures, down 0.04%, NASDAQ down 0.26%, Dow down 0.93%. Yes, S&P VIX is up 44.37%. Nikkei 225 negative 0.05%. U.S. dollar index flat across the board, all zeros at the present moment. And the euro index is down 0.03%. Nice. All right, let's take a look at our commodities. So I think oil took a dump yesterday because I'm in XOM, which is Mobil, right? Exxon Mobil. So, that options trade I took in New York yesterday is already in profit. What a great thing that is, huh? Wow, sorry about that, folks. And no, I'm not going to edit that. Okay, gold up 0.03%. Still, I got to say, this is up to 1,290. This looks like this is going to go up to 1,300. Looks like that's going to be a spot we can expect to see. WTI is at 48.56, playing with that 49 level drop down, and Brent is at 51.83, still above that $50 a barrel. And I'm really hoping that we are trading futures in the next week or so. The futures issue is I moved to another broker, and I'm with Tastyworks, which is affiliated with Tasty Trade that I talk about all the time. Check it out, tastytrade.com if you're trading futures. They do live 8 hours of broadcasting a day, education on futures. Absolutely, and of course options and all that good stuff. But I'm hoping that platform, any day now, their futures platform will come out. We're excited about that. Good to see that that's moving right along. That's all I'm waiting for, is for that platform to come alive. And that's about it. Let's see what's going on for the news today. Japan's on a holiday today, a Mountain Day. Also, we had nothing really big. Aussie had RBA Governor Lowe spoke, and Business New Zealand PMI came out 55.4, no expectations, and previous was 56.2. So, as we move along and we take a look, we got a lot of CPI. We got German CPI, HICP, WPI. This is all Germany. France, we got CPI, HICP. All that's coming out today. Spanish CPI, HICP. Italian, same. Then we get into China. Now, China has new loans coming out today. And it's tentative, so we don't have a time on that China data coming out. Keep an eye on that. We need to keep an eye on China. See what's going on. Listen, they're a player, right? They're a player. Whether you're trading stocks, options, futures, Forex, whatever you're trading, China is an issue, right? We got to watch what they're doing, and of course, we always watch what Japan is doing. Of course, the yen. So we'll keep an eye on that. Nothing there. Then we get into the U.S. session. We got core CPI today. And we have CPI month on month, year on year. Then another, what else do we got? Yeah, and we got an FOMC member speaking. Who cares? Do we care what an FOMC member is saying? No, who cares? Please. Why do they do it, It's really kind of funny, it really is. These people get on there and talk, and then they come a meeting and they do the opposite. So why listen to them? Don't waste your time. All right. Yeah, they're all out today. We got Kashkari speaking today. We got Kaplan speaking today. Yak. It is what it is. So that's what's going on. All right, let's take a look at some charts, my friends. Excited about our they're not new charts, but excited to put these charts up, and I had them up and changed them all yesterday. Got some nice templates going. So got some nice charts. Let's take a look at my trade for the day. And I'm going to tell you, it was very, very difficult for me to find a trade today. There's really not a lot going on. Now, if you look at the chart, you can see I have a lot more charts that I have available to me on the bottom. And we're going to keep building them. I just didn't have enough time to put all the currency pairs in that I wanted. So let's take a look. We're looking at the Aussie dollar today. All right, this is the Aussie dollar. This is what we're looking at. So you could see, if you take a look at this chart, this is in a downtrend, right? This is just absolutely in a downtrend. And I've been saying this for a long time. They are at, 78. They don't want to be at 78. They want to be at 65, 66, 64. They don't want to be at 78. But it's in a down move now. It's in a down move. So you can see, I made this chart probably an hour and a half ago. And look at this. Red candle comes out, continues to the downside. So my trade plan is that we get up to the 38.2 at 78.90. And then we're going to sell it, right? I'm going to take it down to 78.50 for a 40 pip trade. 35 pip trade, depending where you get in. Now, that's great. So you get down to your 75.80. You say, well, this is going pretty good. Do I get out? What do I do? Just scale out. Take 3/4 of your position off, half your position off. Put some money in the bank. And just let one go. Just let something go. Just keep one in there. Now you can move your stop accordingly because you've already taken profits. You can basically use that profits now to move your stop. And this way you're not in a loss situation. Even if it goes bad against you, you're still a winner, right? So now this is pulled back. I want to see it go back up to the 38.2. But now that I've seen this candle, just now, by the way, I'm saying this might not be the right move to wait for it to get up to the 38.2. You know what? We're going to be looking at the 23.6, and that's at 78.72. So we're looking over here, my friends, to get this to the downside, because I don't think we're going to get up to the 38.2. So I think we're going to end up here, okay? And we'll just look to sell this here. Listen, there's some good price action here. It's obviously significant resistance, but when I was doing my analysis, remember this is a 30-minute chart. I've been in front of my desks now almost 4 hours. So, I was in here when I first looked at this. So the 38.2 was reasonable. Now it's not reasonable, right? And when I wasn't going to get in it, at 6:30 this morning, because I was here. I didn't think this was going to actually do this. I thought it was going to continue to the upside. It didn't, but my bias is still the same. I'm bearish, and I want to sell it, okay? And that's what's going on with the Aussie. And this China data coming out could be a mover, good or bad for the Aussie. and we'll see how this goes. Just real quick, let me give you a review of our moving averages. We are on new charts. They're still the same, but let's get to take a look. Okay, this line right here, this light brown line, is the 5. The red line is the 20 exponential moving average. The teal line is the 55 exponential moving average. And of course, the thick green line is always on all my charts, the 200 exponential moving average. All right, so that's what we're looking at. You know, if you look at these moving averages at the price here, you could see we have angle and separation, don't we? We have angle and separation. This just might continue to the downside, my friends. We might be into London lunch before we get this trade opportunity. We'll see. Hopefully not. Hopefully by London Open, maybe an hour before London Open, we can jump in this and have a good trade. All right. I don't want to run this too long. I have been speaking a long time. We'll just take a Gantt here at the pound. Nothing going on. Just sideways. Nothing happening. Took that big dump. It's made a little bit of progress. Now it's still back down into it. You'll notice on these charts, there's no lines as far as when the day started, when the day ended. I took all those off. I want clear charts for you all, and and for me too. I like clean charts. I want to see nice, clear charts. And of course, if we have a Fibonacci on there or trend lines, of course, that's going to be on the chart also. Okay, so that's what's going on there. I did look at the dollar yen, folks. It is just dumping, right? Wow, didn't you want to be in this over here at 110, right? Look at this over here. Now look at this. This thing is just taking it to the downside. Look at this angle and separation in the EMAs. I know I keep talking about angle and separation, but remember, moving averages are late. They're lagging. They're lagging. That's okay. However, you got to respect them. They are showing you what's going on, right? So we'll keep a really good eye on those moving averages. Yeah, just to the downside. Traders, thanks for being with me this week, and it's just been great. Please send your comments, send your emails, and have a great weekend. Get some rest. I take Saturday off. I don't even open a computer on Saturday, except for my flight simulation that I'm addicted to. And but no trading stuff on Saturday. Sunday, I am back at the trading desk getting ready for next week. Traders, have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Take care now. Have a great one. Bye-bye.